guys, this is me Periodic Cuber, and in this video I'll be unboxing the Lanlan Skewb. So the cube costs $9 or 500 rupees in India. Let's open up the package. I'm pretty excited as this is my first cube. Here's the SKU, invoice, and nothing else. Let's open up the package. There we go. Here's the SKU. So let's open up the box. Let's open it from the bottom. Here's the SKU. So the sticker shades are pretty good on this puzzle, as you can see. Let's get on to first turns. Okay, it's dry. So it has a clicky mechanism, which I personally like a lot. As you can see. Okay, so it clicks 3 times in one turn. 1, 2 and 3. So 3 times. So guys, let's do a quick solve. So pretty good scramble. Let's start. I'm not into Skewb that much. Here we go. First impressions of this cube are great. I just love it. I just love the feeling of this cube. It's kind of fast, clicky feel. That's all for the unboxing, guys. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, hit the like button down there and don't forget to subscribe. Follow me on Twitter and like me on Facebook. Bye.